New York needed a hearse that could hustle. That is why the Ghostbusters grabbed a hulking 1959 Cadillac ambulance and made it their mobile base. On paper, it was ridiculous, which made the comedy land before the first ghost even shows up. The long body swallowed gear like a closet, perfect for packs, traps, and cables. It already had a rear-end loader door, so loading equipment looked practical instead of staged. The roofline was tall and flat, a perfect stage for antennas, beacons, and a science lab mess. Those outrageous tail fins gave the car a silhouette you could spot in traffic instantly. Early concepts leaned dark and sleek, closer to a modern hearse than a white ambulance. But night streets ate dark paint, and the camera would lose the car in motion. So, the body went bright white, letting reflections and city lights carve it out at speed. Stephen Dane drew the hardware like a real response rig, not a toy, and kept it believable. The roof array mixed mundane parts with weird shapes, suggesting purpose without explaining everything. The door symbol was simple and loud, a red slash over a ghost, readable at a glance. The ambulance heritage carried a blunt message. These guys deal with emergencies, just not medical ones. It let them feel broke and clever, choosing a used pro car over a flashy ride. The size made comedy physical, because every turn looked like a whale threading a needle. Lights, sirens, and antennas made them look official, like the city funded a ghost department. Next, the car gets its rooftop hardware, and the streets start hearing it coming. Follow for the build moment that turns Ecto-1 into a rolling warning sign.